Hello, this is John Bagwell. This training lesson is on exaggerated claims by so-called affiliate gurus. I was just in YouTube and claims made by so-called gurus saying you can make $20,000 a week, some $450 a week. That's more realistic. But in reality, you need to know that 95% of all affiliate marketers will fail in the first 120 business days. Why? They did not reverse analyze their niche for purchase demand, which is extremely important. Now, is there a remote chance that you can make $20,000 a week? It is extremely unlikely. Now, I've made $1 million per year, and I only made $1 million a year because I created the niche for a unique market. Now, if you are in a heavily contested niche, and let's just say that the diet niche as an example, if you were spending $86,000 a month, you could make over $1 million in that niche. But 99.9% of all of you cannot afford to spend $86,000 a month in Google for ads for your affiliate niche. Now, can you make $450 a week? Eventually. But most likely, you're going to make, if you're lucky, $150 in your first week. If you're lucky. It's probably you're going to have to put in at least 3 weeks before you even earn your first dime, really. I'm being honest with you. This takes some planning and some effort on your part, whether you're going to build a sales funnel, business tools, the particular channel that you're going to pursue, and obviously you're going to pursue probably a free advertising channel, like blog commenting, blogging, TikTok, YouTube. The list goes on and on in the free advertising channel world. It could be Pinterest. All these have their pros and cons, but you have to put in a great deal of effort to make those channels work for you in affiliate marketing. And whenever you see a claim of make $20,000 a week or some $1.8 million in affiliate marketing, you know that these so-called gurus are lying through their teeth. So please don't fall for it. You don't want to be another statistic, which 95% of the affiliate marketers fall into this trap of following these exaggerated claims. You need to start off. I keep on drilling this into all the videos that I create. You need to reverse analyze your niche for purchase demand before you spend time and money into a niche. Click the link in the description for free information. I hope you enjoy this training lesson. I'll see you in the next training video. Thank you.